you often hang out with your grandmother? There truly isn't anything better than listening to some great stories or enjoying the old secret recipes. This won't only make you feel better, but the more you hang on with her, the longer she will live. According to a recent study, spending some time with your grandmother will actually help her live longer. The University of California, San Francisco has conducted a study which found that a regular companionship with elderly people can improve and even extend their life. This study included about 1,600 adults over the age of 71. The results have shown that those adults who used to be lonely have higher mortality rates than those who did not. Loneliness and isolation can take a toll on anyone, but elder people are more affected by these conditions. So, the older people get, the more companionships they need in order to have longer and happier life. People usually react negatively in terms of senior homes, but in fact, they are really beneficial in this sense. These places encourage elderly friendships which are crucial for older people. As people age, their social circles slowly get smaller. In such group settings, people can easily connect, mingle and thrive. You can imagine this thing as second college lifestyle, the perfect environment for meeting new friends. According to the professor of human development at Virginia Tech, Rosemary Bleasner, people bring more experience to their friendships when they are older. They really know the real values people should strive for. Due to this reasoning, it seems that older people would make better friends because they are happy to be together. So, when you want to chat or have dinner with someone, make sure you choose your older relative. You will spend great moments with them which would change their life.